Whoa, I'm sorry for all the fucks and whatever, but I'm a bit excited here, guys. Wasn't expecting this here from a bro Spike. Alright, guys. So today I got this wee box in the mail from our bro Spike, and I have got no idea what is in it. So we're gonna do a wee quick unboxing here, and we'll see what he sent over. What is in it, Spike lad? Because you kept us quiet. You said to me at the last minute. Parcel coming for you tomorrow, bro. So I haven't got a clue what is in it. Hey bro, you're probably thinking, what the fuck? I wanted to do something not only for you, but it will help also your family. With this you can create more with your amazing art, bro. You're a great friend and amazing spirit, tapped on a wicked creator. So in a small way, I hope this helps you grow and produce more stunning pieces. I noticed you saying that the one you have heats up too much and you can't hold it. This set will allow you to keep going and use multiple pens. Wanted to gift you something. Big love, bro. Hi Annie, Rocco and wee Lara. I hope you're all good. From Spike. Bro, what the fuck? Exactly, what the fuck? And he's laughing. Bro. What is in here, mate? Are you serious, Spike? You fucking serious, bro? Bro, what the fuck, man? Bro, what are you playing at? Bro, what are you playing at? Did you seriously send me a fucking Rotozip, a razor tip, bro? Right, you got me there, bro. You got me there, bro. Speechless, bro. What can I say? Thank you very much, Spike, bro. Really appreciate that, man. Maybe we were only talking about it fucking 2 days ago. I didn't even say anything about this, and you fucking sent me this here. Bro, what the fuck, man? Jeez. I'm speechless here, bro. Unreal. What can I say, bro? There you go, guys. I got a razor tip from a bro Spike. I'm completely speechless here, guys. I don't know what to say. Honestly. Thank you very much, bro. Thank you very much, bro. Or as they say in Belfast, you're a fucking stroker, bro. You're a stroker. Can't believe that, bro. Thank you very much, Spike. Well, guys, that's what was in my mystery box from Spike. He sent me a razor tip. A mind blown here, bro. I'm actually speechless. I didn't know what. I thought you'd sent me a carving over maybe for the kids for their birthday, bro. Not a fucking razor tip, man. Like, what the fuck? What the fuck? Thank you very much, Spike. Sincerely, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and message you on Facebook because you're a absolute stroker. Pure fucking stroker, bro. So there we go, guys. There's me unboxing video. Our bro Spike at his work sent me a razor tip wood burner. That's unreal. That's something I've wanted for a while. I seen that on Jordy, our bro Jordy, Carbon Fusion uses the razor tip. And then I went recently and I just got the wee wood burner, the same Just Carve Rob has. The wee cheap one Rob uses, and I've been using it and it's burning alright and all, like, but it does heat up pretty quick. And then me and Spike were talking the other day and he says, oh, I have a razor tip here. And I says to him, yeah, I'm gonna get one of them someday, bro. I didn't think I was gonna get it fucking 3 days later and he was gonna gift me his razor tip, so that's one owed our bro. Thank you very much, Spike. I'm absolutely mind blown here, mate. I don't even know. I can't say anything other than cheers, bro. And thank you very much. You're a good bro, mate. You know what I mean? And you know, anyway, I've got a box of stuff coming for you too, bro. And Larry B. Debs, there's a special box on its way for you too, bro. And then I just have to do Chris the Reaper. You're getting one, bro, but you're not going to know what you're getting because you're going to get the creepiest carving that I can do for the Viking Warrior. So, whoa, okay guys, wasn't expecting that, so I'm gonna go here because I'm sure half that video probably couldn't even speak. Sorry for all the fucks and whatever, but I'm a bit excited here, guys. Wasn't expecting this here from my bro Spike. And bar that, hope everybody's keeping good, staying creative, and hope you all have a nice day. So it's Big Bob here signing out. Gonna go and contact Spike now, so everybody stay creative, hope you have a good day, and thank you very much, Spike. Sincerely, bro. You're an absolute gentleman, mate, so keep up the good work, everybody.